How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many WhatsApp users face. WhatsApp status not showing. If your status updates aren't appearing or you can't see your contact status, don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, make sure your internet connection is stable or your mobile data is stable. If your connection is weak or disconnected, WhatsApp might not be able to load or update your status. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or check your connection settings. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Simply tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp. If there's an update available, simply update it. If not, let's move on to the next step. Another reason your status might not show is due to your privacy settings. If you've set your status to be visible to only a few contacts, if your contacts have restricted your status visibility, that could be the issue. To check this, simply open the WhatsApp app, go to settings. Now simply tap on privacy and simply go to status. Here simply choose my contacts accept or my contacts are only share with. Make sure that your status is set to my contacts or adjust the settings as needed. Now if you selected my contacts accept, make sure the contacts you want to see your status aren't on the exclusion list. If they are, simply uncheck them. Here, edit it. And once you've done that, simply restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issues. And that's it. That's how you can simply fix your WhatsApp status issue.